Today we are going to make the most flavorful ghee from butter in microwave in minutes. For the ghee to form from butter, two processes have to happen. First is the water from the butter has to evaporate, and secondly the milk solids have to cook and burn for the butter to be clarified. Here I have taken two brands. One is a Amul brand with 500 grams, and the second one is Land of Lakes 2 sticks of butter, which is about 220 grams. And these have to be unsalted or sweet butter. Put those in a microwave compatible dish that is not plastic, and cover it with a lid that has holes in it for the moisture to escape, and also you don't want it to splutter and mess up your microwave. The first time you can put for 2 minutes, and anytime you boil anything in the microwave that is liquid, you always do it in very small time increments. First time we are using 2 minutes, then from now on we'll just use 1 minute increments, and you have to break up the air bubbles so it doesn't splutter at once, and you also check how it's coming along. So this is after the 3rd minute, and I'm showing how to turn it very gently. So we are doing in 1 minute increments, and right about 4th minute for this 500 gram butter, you start seeing the cooking process and the air bubbles that are seen, which we break up. So I'm showing you now in the 5th minute you can see it boiling, and again carefully we are breaking up the bubbles. And here obviously I'm taking it out to show you, but you can just move it in the microwave itself. You don't have to take it out. This is after 7 minutes. It's boiling quite vigorously, and you can start seeing some clarity and the methi seeds at the bottom. This is after 9 minutes. We're close to being done. This is after 10 minutes, almost done, and you can see that the milk solids have burnt and are at the bottom, and you want it to be brown, light or dark brown, but not black. Otherwise the flavor will be a burnt flavor, so you want to be careful. Here I'm just checking the color of the milk solids, and now it's done. About 11.5 minutes later, you can see that it's clear, and I can see the methi seeds at the bottom, and the flavor and the aroma is really wonderful. Now when it is still warm but not hot, make sure it's cool before you filter it and put it in a bottle to store. And the aroma is really good, and the store-bought ghee never matches homemade ghee. 500 grams, we got about 400 grams of ghee. And this is with the 2 sticks of butter, which yielded about 160 grams of ghee. And with here again, after it cools off, I'm filtering it. And if you are using curry leaves or drumstick tree leaves, some people would just leave it and just eat it, especially if you're making any pongal or anything like that. You can leave those and enjoy them. Here I'm filtering the methi seeds because I might use it in desserts, I might use it in something salty, so I just wanted to filter them out. With methi seeds, you always filter them out. Here is my ghee in a smaller bottle with 160 grams and clear and solidified, and with 500 grams I got 400 grams of ghee clear, and when it solidifies. Enjoy the cooking.